Welcome to today's discussion on an intriguing and rapidly evolving topic: how to make money with AI in 2023. Industries have been altered by artificial intelligence, and today we'll look at 7 ways you may use AI tools to succeed financially. But before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. 1. Develop AI products. Finding market needs, understanding solutions, and producing software with artificial intelligence are all steps in the development of AI things. Start by selecting a problem to solve or an area to innovate. Utilizing relevant data and machine learning techniques, create and train AI models. Build a useful product by working with software developers and data scientists. Ensure accuracy and user happiness by testing and improving the AI's performance. Release the product, then get customer feedback to make more improvements. To provide useful solutions to users and consumers, successful AI product creation demands a fusion of technical proficiency, creativity, and a thorough understanding of the problem domain. 2. Data monetization. By transforming data assets into revenue streams, data monetization entails gaining value from data assets. This can be accomplished by using data analysis to uncover insights, trends, or forecasts that organizations are willing to pay for. Businesses can share these findings with other companies looking to improve their decision-making. Maintaining data security and privacy while following applicable laws is essential. For raw data to become a valuable commodity in the market, effective data monetization involves a good grasp of data analytics, market demands, and the capacity to explain the value of the insights gathered. 3. Automated trading. AI algorithms are used in algorithmic trading to automate the purchasing and selling of financial instruments. These algorithms operate at speeds that are frequently faster than those of humans as they analyze market data, spot trends, and carry out trades. Algorithmic trading seeks to take advantage of market inefficiencies by minimizing human emotion and reaction time. Effective risk management, ongoing oversight, and adaptations to accommodate shifting market conditions are necessary for success. To stay competitive in the financial markets, traders must also make sure that their algorithms adhere to rules and prevent unforeseen outcomes in addition to continuously improving their methods. 4. Content generation. Artificial intelligence is used to generate written or multimedia content with minimal or no input from humans. Like language models, AI models are capable of producing text for websites, blogs, social media posts, and even movies. Although these tools can speed up and simplify the development of material, human review is still necessary to guarantee correctness, coherence, and originality. Although writers, marketers, and artists can use AI-generated content as a starting point, the final product frequently needs human editing and personalization to fit with certain objectives and audiences. 5. AI consulting. AI consulting involves offering experience to businesses seeking to leverage artificial intelligence. Consultants evaluate a company's requirements, spot opportunities for AI, and suggest implementation plans. This entails deciding on the best AI technology, creating unique solutions, and guaranteeing seamless integration. AI consultants can also assist with staff training, tracking progress, and strategy adaptation as the technological landscape changes. Their advice enables companies to take advantage of AI's promise for increased productivity, innovation, and competitiveness. 6. Predictive analytics. AI is used in predictive analytics to analyze historical data and predict future trends. Machine learning algorithms produce prediction models that provide insights into probable outcomes by finding patterns and correlations. These models are employed to forecast changes in demand, market trends, and consumer behavior, among other things. Based on these insights, organizations can optimize their strategy, allocate resources efficiently, and make well-informed decisions. However, to achieve accuracy, predictive analytics needs high-quality data, rigorous model selection, and constant validation. Businesses are given the ability to respond proactively to opportunities and problems, giving them a competitive edge by staying on top of a fast-changing environment. 7. Real estate analysis. Utilizing data-driven insights, real estate analysis with AI involves assessing market trends, investment prospects, and property prices. AI algorithms evaluate historical data and economic indicators to create predictive models that help with the purchase, sale, and investment of real estate. To contextualize AI outcomes within the complexity of the real estate market, human expertise is still required. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned.